Yo, unscripted editing me here. I just wanted to give a few opinions on these switches in combination with these boards. Um, Basically, what I was thinking while making this is that although they sounded pretty tinny, hollow, like just kind of cheap, they feel really nice, and they're definitely worth it for the price, even if you don't lube them like this, especially if you're only going for feels. I think that these switches showed a lot of promise, and when they're lubed in film, they're probably going to sound super, super nice. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later.